Quarter 1 CSS 10 Types of Computer Part 1. We have four different computer types classified according to their performance, power, and size. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data, processes it, stores, and then produces an output. There are different computer types available depending on the number of users they can support at any one time, their size, and power. Computer, an electronic device for storing and processing data, typically in binary form, according to instructions given to it in a variable program. In this lesson, you will learn the different types of computer. These are the types of computers. 1. Desktop computer. A computer designed to fit comfortably on top of a desk, typically with the monitor sitting on top of the computer. Desktop model computers are broad and low, whereas tower model computers are narrow and tall. Because of their shape, desktop model computers are generally limited to three internal mass storage devices. Desktop models designed to be very small are sometimes referred to as slimline models. Number 2, laptop. A small, portable computer is small enough that it can sit on your lap. Nowadays, a computer laptop is more frequently called a notebook computer, though technically, laptops are somewhat larger in size than notebooks in both thickness and weight. Number 3, tablet. A tablet is a type of notebook computer that has an LCD screen on which the user can write using finger and swipe actions or by using a special purpose pen or stylus. All user input is directly via the LCD screen and not a keyboard or mouse. On a tablet computer, handwriting is digitized and can be converted to standard text through handwriting recognition, or it can remain as handwritten text. The stylus also can be used to type on a pen-based key layout where the lettered keys are arranged differently than a QWERTY keyboard. Tablet PCs can be equipped with a keyboard and or a mouse for input. The tablet PC relies on digital ink technology, where a digitizer is laid under or over an LCD screen to create an electromagnetic field that can capture the movement of the special purpose pen and record the movement on the LCD screen. The effect is like writing on a paper with liquid ink. 4. Smartphones. Smartphones are a handheld device that integrates mobile phone capabilities with the more common features of a handheld computer or PDA. Smartphones allow users to store information, email, install programs, along with using a mobile phone in one device. For example, a smartphone could be a mobile phone with some PDA functions integrated into the device, or vice versa.